So here we are in a Google Sheets spreadsheet that I am using to try and keep track of just a ton of footage I have right now for a show I'm editing. And you can see it's a massive pile of stuff. I've tried to be organized. I have my different columns going on. I've made titles at the top of these columns, but then you can see what happens when I start scrolling down. I lose this top line here, the first line where I've done all my titles, and then I can't even tell what these check marks are for. It would just be so cool if this top line stayed visible all the time, right? Well, that is what they call frozen, and it is so easy to do. You click on it to highlight it, then you go up to view because this is how you're going to see it all the time. That's a little trick I use to remember that. Oh, and this video today is brought to you by the Vital Video Planner. It's a Google Sheets template that I designed especially for YouTubers. Freeze comes up right at the top, and then for me, I just always choose up to current row, although it's pretty easy to choose 2 rows or 1 row. You can also choose columns to freeze if you prefer to freeze things vertically. I'm going to choose up to current row and check this out. I'll click away just to make sure it's still working. Yep, that line is always there. But here is one other thing I'm going to tell you. This only works for this tab. Right now I'm in my 2020 raw video tab. If I go over to my 2021 tab, no, it's not frozen. So I have to go and do the same thing over there. Highlight, view, freeze, gonna choose current row that I've highlighted, and now it's there. Sometimes these Google Sheets can get overwhelming and you just want them to be pretty. And I spent a lot of time putting together a planner just for myself, actually, to just keep all of my YouTube video information, the dates, the titles, the thumbnails, the editing notes, the calls to action, all the stuff I needed in one easy to read place. And then I thought, hey, other YouTubers could probably use something like this. If you're interested, head to vitalvideoplanner.com and pick one up today. If you're interested in customizing your YouTube homepage layout, check out this video. And if you want to make your own custom URL for your YouTube page, check out this video. If you got value from this video, give it a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.